I am pleased to announce the nomination of Samuel D. Atkinson to serve as a judge on the U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of Tennessee. Sam is currently a special assistant in my White House counsel's office, where he has done an incredible job and worked on numerous important cases, including our historic win in the Slaughter case. Sam previously worked as an attorney in private practice and for the Senate Judiciary Committee during Justice Kavanaugh's successful confirmation. Sam was a top student at Vanderbilt University and Yale Law School, and clerked for the Chief Justice of the United States Supreme Court, John G. Roberts, Jr., and Federal Appeals Court judges, Gregory Katzes and Amol Thapar. Sam has exemplified wisdom and courage, loves the Constitution, and will always defend the wonderful people of Tennessee. Congratulations, Sam. President Donald J. Trump. South Carolina, get out and vote for Darlene Graham on Tuesday, August 25th. Darlene has my complete and total endorsement. She will never let you down. President Donald J. Trump. It is my great honor to endorse America First patriot, Sarita Komadi Reddy, who is running to be the next Attorney General of the once wonderful state of New York. Between Kathy Hochul and the most corrupt Attorney General in the country, Letitia James, it has gone to hell. Sarita is strongly supported by the greatest MAGA warriors in New York, including my friend, and Republican nominee for governor, Bruce Blakeman. As a former federal prosecutor, Chief of Staff of the Drug Enforcement Administration, law clerk for then-Judge Brett Kavanaugh, and a distinguished Harvard Law School graduate, with honors, Sarita has proven she has the courage and wisdom to deliver strong results for the incredible people of New York City and state. Her opponent, the totally corrupt, unlawful, and incompetent, Letitia Peekaboo James, is considered by many to be the worst Attorney General in our country. She is a complete and total disaster, who tried running against Kathy Hochul for governor, and got less than 1% of the vote in the polls, and quit, taking many innocent suckers down with her. She then went back to her witch hunt against your favorite president, me, and others, yet murder and other violent crime is raging out of control in New York, as people and businesses flee, in record numbers, to other states. On the other hand, as your next Attorney General, Sarita Komadi Reddy will fight tirelessly to ensure law and order, grow our economy, champion our law enforcement and first responders, support our military/veterans, advance election integrity, keep our border secure, stop migrant crime, uphold our Constitution, and defend our always under siege Second Amendment. Vote against the most corrupt Attorney General in the country, Peekaboo James. Vote for Sarita Komadi Reddy, who has my complete and total endorsement to be the next Attorney General of New York. She will never let you down. President Donald J. Trump. Senator Dan Sullivan is doing a fantastic job representing the great state of Alaska. Prior to becoming a very distinguished and highly respected senator, Dan served as State Attorney General and the Commissioner of the Alaska Department of Natural Resources. Dan is a great man, has always delivered for Alaska, which I won 3 times by big margins in 2016, 2020, and 2024, and will continue doing so in the U.S. Senate. No one has done more for Alaska than Trump, including just securing 11 new Arctic Security Cutter icebreakers, the first such ships bought in more than 40 years, and Dan Sullivan has been with us all the way. He is fighting hard to grow our economy, lower taxes, cut regulations, help secure our very secure, record-setting border, champion our incredible military/veterans, advance American energy dominance by helping to keep the price of gasoline, oil, and all forms of energy very low, and defend our always under siege Second Amendment. Because of the trickery in the voting, the crooked, radical left Democrats have put up another man named Dan Sullivan, and they did this to take votes away from our great senator of the same name. Democrats are trying to trick Alaskans and treat Alaskan voters with contempt. On Tuesday, August 18, Alaskans, don't be fooled. The senator you want to vote for is Sullivan, Dan S., registered Republican/incumbent. Sullivan, Dan S. has my complete and total endorsement for re-election. He will not let you down. President Donald J. Trump just left a rally in Nassau County in honor of Bruce Blakeman, who is running for governor of New York. The crowd went wild. Something very interesting is happening in New York State. He is a great person, a great politician and, if elected, will be the best governor in the history of New York. President Donald J. Trump